gynllun tai Gofal Ychwanegol o 42 o unedau, di lleoli ym Penrhosgarnedd, Bangor, so mewn ardal reit boblogaidd hefyd lly. Da ni'n opsiwn ar gyfer pobl 55 mlwydd oed neu hŷn, a da ni hefyd yn gofyn bod yna unau anghenion gofal neu anghenion tai yn sefyllfa.
Gofal Ychwanegol yn opsiwn gwahanol i'r ddarpariaeth traddodiadol o gartrefi pobl hŷn, sef fel arfer oedd o'n tai gwarchodol neu gartre preswyl, ond mae tai Gofal Ychwanegol yn cynnig fflat preifat hunangynhwysol eich hun, gyda gofal a chefnogaeth 4 awr ar hugain y dydd yn y cynllun. Mae Gofal Ychwanegol yn cadw annibyniaeth pobl cyn hirad a fedra nhw. Mae symud i Gofal Ychwanegol yn gallu newid bywydau pobl. Mae'n hefyd gyfleustera ar y safle fel bwyty, salon trin gwallt, ystafell weithgareddau, ystafell sgwteri a jyst llawer o gyfleustera sy'n neud bywyd yn haws yma.
Facilities are lovely. I love my flat and have settled here very well.
Unol, mae wedi cael ei adeiladu mor dda. Mae'r cyfleusterau ma'n eithriadol o dda.
Very convenient for me. Well, my husband doesn't walk very well, can't walk far, so our flat is right by the lift.
The flat is very well suited to my needs. I'm independent and everywhere's easy to get around.
Mae gwasanaethau cymdeithasol yn gweithio mewn partneriaeth hefo tai Gogledd Cymru a cartrefi Cymru i ddarparu gofal i bobl sydd angen gofal yng Cae Garnedd.
Well, it's a great help to have the carers morning and evening.
I feel more at ease knowing that they're safe. It's the security for me that makes me feel more relaxed. I feel that I don't have to worry about them at all.
It provides what I wanted, just the reassurance and security to live independently. My son doesn't worry anymore.
We're both living at home. They didn't get out much, didn't have much of a social life at all. Coming here, they had the opportunity of going for lunch every day. Again, socialising makes a big difference to both their lives.
Coffee mornings, we've had strawberry teas, all sorts of nice things. Chocolate tasting.
For me to be amongst people, to have company as well as be friends like you.
I think that it's brilliant. The staff are all really friendly, all the residents are really friendly. There is a big sense of a community feel here.
Dyn ni wedi arfer efo tŷ ni a chyfrifoldeb tŷ a bob dim sydd angen I wneud yn y tŷ. Wel, mae dod yma, mae wyn yn osgoi llawer iawn o'r cyfrifoldebau hynny. Ac mae hynny'n fantes.
The staff and everybody are smashing, they really are. Yeah, I'm very happy here. Oh, I'm much more active than I could be in my own home. I like it very much.